So, have you ever been told that you are looking tired all the time? Or when you show up for work, you don't look energetic or fresh enough? Being and looking presentable all the time is not always easy. But let me tell you, it's not impossible either. So, today we are gonna discuss tips that will help you look, feel, and be presentable all the time. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna tell you about being presentable is gonna take you by surprise because I'm not gonna give you any grooming tips. I'm gonna tell you be confident. The first tip to look and feel presentable all the time, whether socially or professionally, is about confidence. So, when you are confident and you are carrying yourself confidently, even if you are not looking perfect, you will still come across as presentable. So, well, make sure that you stand up straight, you look upright, look all bright, happy, confident. Make sure your body language, your eye contact, of all of that is confident. And then probably being presentable will just come naturally to you. Now, the next tip to look and feel presentable almost all the time is pretty much logic. It's common sense. I mean to say, take care of yourself. If you are a woman and if you are in professional environment, it's very important that you take care of your skin, your hair, your appearance, your body, which means that at almost all the times you should be smelling good, you should take care of your skin, probably wash your face multiple times through your workday and not really start looking very tired and drawn out by the end of the day. In case you are a man, then getting regular manicures and pedicures even though you are a guy is very important. Smelling good is important, dressing well, dressing for the environment that you are in is very important. All these grooming tips will actually tell people that you take care of yourself seriously, and then they will take you seriously too. And as a result, you will end up looking presentable all the time. Now, being presentable, looking good, is not always only about looks, but sometimes it's only about looks. I'm talking about dressing appropriately. That's my next tip for you. Make sure that you are dressed appropriately for the environment that you are in. Now, if you are out for work parties or you are just interacting with people socially, you are gonna dress in a certain way. But if you are at work and in a professional environment, then make sure that you are dressing professionally for the occasion. Now there are some times when you have big days at work, like a big important meeting or a presentation. Make sure that you up your professional dressing quotient even more in those days. Dress appropriately. In fact, I would say take it up notch and you will make a better impression. Now the next thing I wanna tell you about looking presentable. Well, you may not like it, you may like it, but you cannot ignore it. I'm talking about exercising, that's right. The big E. Now, for a lot of people, the big E as in exercising is a sore point. But let me tell you, if you exercise regularly, you will look presentable no matter what. Now, there are very simple reasons as to why exercise can make you look presentable. The first one being, it makes you look fitter, which means you look better in whatever you wear. The second point is, it keeps your mind alert. which means you can take more effort and always be alert towards looking presentable. And third thing is that it keeps you in a good mood, keeps you feeling good and confident, and that itself can add value to the way you look. So make sure if you want to look presentable, exercising it is a must. Now, the next thing I want to tell you about looking presentable is eat well, eat healthy. Now, this is an inside to outside tip. So the food that we eat has a lot of impact on the way we look, we feel, on our personality. So if you are eating healthy food, it's gonna keep you looking good, looking fit, feeling good, confident, happy, having good thoughts. Basically, keeping a positive attitude towards life. So don't neglect your diet or what you eat. Make sure you combine a very good combination of healthy exercise and healthy food, and that will add to your appearance, make you look presentable. Lastly, I have one final tip for you if you want to look presentable all the time. And this one's probably the most important in my book. It's basically about being yourself. It means you have to be true to yourself, true to your own unique personality. Be authentic. Really have the confidence to bring out your unique personality in social and professional situations. When you behave like that, the first thing you'll notice is that you don't have any pressure to kind of get people to like you or kind of be like someone else. Because you are unique. You are only one single unique person in this entire universe. So why not bring that personality to the fore and enjoy it? So the more authentic you are, the more stress-free and happily you will be. You will, in fact, being a very fun personality to hang out with, and sometimes being fun, being authentic, being confident can actually make you feel very presentable. Well, those were a few tips that I had for you to look presentable at all times, socially, professionally, no matters where you are. So well, some of them are easy to kind of put into practice. Some of them can really challenge you. But if you actually bring all of those things together, I'm promising you a very presentable personality. I truly hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, learned a lot from this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.